근데 내가 에카자야랑 이거 롬복을 오는 거랑 따져보니까
응.
가격으로 일단 큰
You
차이가
speak English?
아, 그치.
Little?
Little, yeah?
Yeah.
You stay in Jakarta?
아,
No. Balikuta. In
Bali?
Balikuta and Lombok and go to Giliti.
Oh, yeah. I think you stay in Jakarta.
No. Bali.
You have house villa?
No, no.
뭐 빌라?
저기 별장 있냐고. 길리나 꾸따에 별장이 있냐고.
아,
그래서 온 거냐.
잘 알아듣네.
This is my speedboat, yeah?
Ah, you
you
bought.
have.
Yeah. Just 10 minutes from
Yeah.
my harbor.
But
Yes,
350.
350 for two.
Dude.
But Bangsal 200, but many people.
Many people is okay. No problem.
Oh, okay, no problem.
왜 한국 사람으로 치면 350K가 그렇게 비싼 건 아니지.
10분 타는데 비싸.
근데 이제 원하는 데 내려줘.
아,
숙소 앞에 바로 갖다 내려줘.
아. 길리티가 얼마나 크다고.
그렇지. 사실 그리고 우리 숙소는 한국이랑 또 가깝잖아.
그러니까. 부자네. 차도 있고. You are very rich.
Yeah?
You have car and boat.
You rich man.
Oh, no. If I reach, I'm not work. I'm boss. Yeah, I work.
Oh. Lombok is very good place, yeah.
Yes, quiet.
Yeah,
Yeah,
fire.
very
Not like
quiet.
Bali.
Yeah. Yes, that's right.
Bali traffic, yeah?
Yeah.
How long you stay in the Luansa Hotel?
One day.
One day.
Oh, you come from airport or you come from Kuta?
꾸따.
Kuta.
Kuta Lombok?
Yeah.
야.
Ah, Kuta, Bali Kuta.
With plane?
Yeah,
You
plane.
use-
Yeah, airplane.
Not boat.
Yeah.
야.
Tomorrow you back with the passport to Bali.
어.
2 hours and a half.
Mm.
2hour and half.
2시간 반을 발리에서 본섬으로 간대, 보트로.
여기서 2시간
You
반.
come for honeymoon?
Maybe.
Something like that.
Oh. I look you young girls, young boy.
Oh.
Honeymoon, honeymoon.
honeymoon.
I'm old man, not
Oh,
honeymoon.
he looks like old man.
Yeah.
Hair.
No
this
problem.
hair.
Yeah. The problem is heel.
We are not really young.
I look young,
Thank you.
like
Thank you.
Soti.
No, 40.
Oh,
40,
46,
45.
but I look like Soti.
Thank
Oh,
you.
Thank you.
I'm how old you think? I'm old.
Honesty.
How many?
Yeah.
Honestly, you look 50.
55.
55.
Oh, you
Oh.
also young.
No,
You
young.
long. You long. Yeah.
You live in Korea Selatan or Korea Utara?
Korean?
You live in Korea.
Seoul?
Yeah, your Korea in the north or in the south?
South.
Most of Korean is south.
Because Korea is two
Yeah, right.
president.
Yeah.
Have you seen North Korean?
Yeah.
Have you seen?
Many people from my village work in Korea.
Mm.
But maybe they are not north.
Only south. Yeah.
In the south.
Yeah. Korean people has coming is only south. those people is not coming.
This Gili, yeah.
Yeah, Gili.
Whether you from here, not Bangsal.
방살?
여기서 350K.
아. Maybe North Korean they cannot say they are North Korean.
Oh.
그렇지?
그렇지만 못 알아듣으셨을 것 같아요. 문장이 길어지면 잘 못 알아들으시더라고요. 노스코리아. 그래도 알고는 계시네. 다 남북한이 있는 거.
Wow, you already know Korean different
North and
country.
Yes, I know.
South. Yeah, North and South. Two country.
Yes.
Very small country.
Which one?
Korea.
Which
Korea.
one?
Whole Korea.
How many people? All Korea. How many?
Maybe
밀리언 사우젠 천만인가?
4천만?
우리
4,000
4,000?
4 밀리언 사우젠.
Oh. Indonesia is 250, 70 billion.
Yeah.
Big.
Yeah.
Number 4 in.
Yeah, number
in the
4 in the
Yeah.
world. Yeah.
I think China number 1. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or India,
India,
Yeah.
China,
America.
America, and Indonesia. Yeah.
Yeah.
Number 4.
But Korea very small.
Very small.
Very
Korea.
small. Yeah. Also Japan. Yeah.
Yeah. But Japan is
Japan
big.
is the big. Yeah.
Bigger.
Bigger.
Oh,
Bigger than Korea.
Bigger and not separate.
Yeah.
Separate.
Singapore also a small country.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Singapore. But good country. Rich.
Yeah, right. Rich.
아, 이렇게 한적해. 차가 없어. 낮에는 더 안 돌아다니네. 아침에는 좀 있다.
You need cheap ticket.
길리,
You need the cheap ticket or
Yeah, cheap ticket.
you like public boat or private?
Just public is
Public.
okay.
Oh,
Public boat.
I have two. One slow boat and one speed boat. Which one you use?
Cheaper one.
Cheaper one is like 30,000. Slow
30.
boat.
Slow
아,
boat,
30
30,000.
맞네. 30,000.
그래, 내가 그렇게 봤어.
Yeah.
그 슬로우 보트가 기다렸다 가는 거야. 스피드 보트는 시간대 딱 출발하는 거야.
Speed boat is 90,000.
그냥
아,
맞아, 대충
야.
그렇게 들었어. 나 그 슬로우 보트를 타고 싶은 거야. 재밌을 것 같아.
You come back to Lombok or
Come back to Lombok.
how long in Gili?
Maybe
About
10
10
days.
days.
10 days?
Yeah.
Only Gili tea.
Only Gility.
Meno is quiet.
Meno.
Yeah.
But
Mo-
Gility. I have Gility friend. Yeah.
Oh, you have from Korea?
No. Local friend.
Oh, local friend. Maybe later I bring back you from harbor to airport.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
How about to airport? How much is it?
500 from Bangsal.
500.
From your hotel is Grab price is 350. From your hotel Grab price, but there is more. I think 500.
Yeah.
그릇보다 비싼데. 500.
This man number, yeah.
Yeah.
If you come back,
Yeah.
I pick up you from Bangsal to airport.
Okay. Maybe 10 days and 11 days.
Yeah.
11day.
You call me.
그렇게 있을 수 있나?
그냥 말을 그렇게 하는 거지. 언제 올지 모른다고 얘기하는 거지.
17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27. 그러네.
그리고 어차피 롬북 쪽으로 오면은 파도가 크든 작든 상관이 없으니까 좀 짧으니까 원하는 때 올 수 있을 것 같아.
And 스피 롬복
Yes.
롬복 to 어디야? 발리.
Yeah.
How much is it?
Boat.
Yeah, boat. The
300.
speedboat. 300?
Yeah. For one.
오, 싸다. 스피드보트 저거 타도 되겠는데.
2 hours
2
and a
hour.
half. Yeah.
And including this car?
No, to Padang Bay.
아,
From Jili to Padang Bay. You can use Grab from Padang Bay to Kuta.
마담바에 사는 데를
To
얘기하는
your where you stay in Bali.
아,
In Kuta?
사누르.
Yes.
Near Kuta, Sanuru. How about Sanuru? Can you go Sanuru beach?
Yes.
How much?
Sanur is I think more than 600
아, 600.
to Sanur. Boat to Sanur.
그럼 비행기보다 비싼데. It's expensive than airplane.
Yeah. Airplane how much?
400?
500.
500?
About.
Yeah, but it's you not you can stop in Sanur.
음.